In this activity, we're still going to be working with an acid, a base, and an indicator. We're going to build a small volcano that should spew different colors of lava. Let's go. Welcome to Cubby Science. My name's Kevin. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you find something you like. If you're not new to the channel, well, welcome back. That means a lot. If you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button and then ring the notification bell so that you know when I add new content. And during my videos, I will mention the video description area for different reasons. Here's how you find it. Click or tap the gray arrow and the video description area will open up below. Happy learning. Okay, this next video is going to feature the activity called Color Changing Volcano from the science kit, my first mind-blowing science kit. So I've been going through a series of these, and this activity I've been waiting to do sounds pretty neat. So I've done some pre-work as far as some of the mixtures go. I've got one more thing I think that we kind of need to go through on camera just so we can see how this works. It's the first time I've done this. I've read it several times, just thinking about, okay, what can I do to make sure? Well, I guess there's really nothing I can do to make sure. So we're just going to go, I'm going to read through some of the procedures. I did double the recipe, and that's what I have here. And I've taken one of the stirring sticks and I've just made sure that the powder is mixed well. And then I'm going to add some water. It calls for 1 medium scoop, but I'm going to do 2 because I'm doubling everything. Now remember what I had in the dry mixture. I had baking soda, flour, and red cabbage powder. And the baking soda and the red cabbage powder is that mixture is what's caused this to be blue. Now it says to stir, mix it well, try to get as many lumps out of it as you can. Now it's getting a little pasty, which is what we want, because I'm going to dump it into the middle of the plate and then kind of shape our cone. I hope it'll be moist enough to do that. And notice the blue because of the baking soda and the red cabbage powder indicator when the water was added to it. Okay, so I'm going to try to put everything in the middle of the plate here. Try to get as much of this paste as I possibly can. Alright, I hope that's going to be enough, and that's why I wanted to double it. Alright. Make our volcano here. Oh yeah, that's packing nicely. Giving us a good shape of a volcano. It's actually going to be like an island volcano. Okay. Again, this is a basic mixture here. All right, and then we have added some baking soda here to just water as our indicator. We're going to use in just a second in the plate. All right, so we're going to pour this in just around. Okay, we may use all the rest of it in just a few minutes, I don't know. All right, and then we've got, this is our citric acid mixture here. I made it earlier, just wanted to make sure everything was dissolved, all the crystals were dissolved, looks like they are. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the pipette and we're going to put it right on top of the volcano nose, the cone, and we're going to see what happens here. So be thinking about what's going on. I'm dropping citric acid on an indicator, the red cabbage powder, and the baking soda mixture. So we've got somewhat of an example of different colored lava coming out of a volcano. So a pretty good mixture there. That's That's pretty awesome. I like good color change. So, Color Changing Volcano from the science kit, my first mind-blowing science kit. So hopefully this has been helpful. Good activity. Again, dealing with pH, acidity, alkalinity, which is basic, an indicator, and just actually getting hands-on to do some science. So again, thanks for watching.